Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company amyjoberman.com. They're looking for a social media specialist. It pays up to $25 an hour. Are you an organized, reliable person with ridiculously great social media skills and a total can-do attitude? Are you looking for a flexible position in a cool, fun company where you are valued, respected, and given room to grow? Do you always look for solutions and opportunities where others look for problems and struggles? If that sounds like you, listen on. Who we are. Our company, amyjoberman.com, offers training for our actor and performer clients and students through a suite of online classes, products, membership-based online programs, group coaching, and live events. We've been in business and growing steadily for nearly 11 years and strive every day to make a positive impact on the lives of artists and performers in everything that we do. Our team is small but mighty and closely knit. We run a very successful company, so every position is critical and everyone's input is valued. Most importantly, our company culture is inspiring, creative, and fun. And we're awesome. Who you are energetic, positive-minded, and a great communicator with a strong desire to connect with people, and you are a social media badass. You live and breathe social media. #obsessed. Big picture position overview. As our social media specialist, you will be creating and repurposing our content to grow our social reach and engagement and help make a positive impact on the lives of those we serve with your excellent social media skills. If you are a social media whiz, have a true passion for sharing empowering messages and serving people by contributing to something bigger than you, we invite you to share your unique gifts with our company. How you'll spend your time contributing ideas for new social content to provide value and engage our audience. Creating original social media content pieces for all channels. Can be a mixture of repurposed existing content and new content for IGFB and TW. Create TikTok channel. Creating social media content to promote our live trainings and events, scheduling or live posting across our channels in accordance with our editorial calendar, responding to comments on all organic social media posts, growing our audience engagement across all our social media channels, and providing reporting of key growth and engagement metrics. Necessary skills: the gotta have list. Must have excellent communication skills. Must have mad social media skills and be able to prove it. Must have knack for creating stories, reels, and videos. Must have ability to create TikTok channel from scratch. Must be super flexible when things change, with the ability to learn and adapt quickly. Must be comfortable with other online creative tools X, Canva. Must be extremely reliable with strong integrity, work ethic, and professionalism. Must love and respect people. Period. Experience: min. 1 year of social media management, coordinator experience. Time commitment: flexible schedule. However, while many of the tasks can be batched and done at any time, the review, response to comments must happen daily, along with the posting of stories during peak hours. Location: this is a 100% virtual position. Growth potential and pay range: current position is part-time with potential to grow to full-time and move up within the company. Pay range up to $25 divided by hour. Follow these steps to apply. 1. Respond to this ad with your resume plus your original cover letter that speaks to the specific needs of this job and why you would be an outstanding social media specialist. If you don't include a cover letter, the odds of looking at your submission decrease dramatically. 2. Use the word AWESOMESAUCE in the first sentence of your letter. 3. Send a clickable link to your Instagram account, and for extra consideration, create a highlight of 3 minutes 5 of your best stories and label the highlight AJB, as well as a link to one of your best reels on either TikTok or Instagram. 4. Optional: tell us something fun or interesting about you that has nothing to do with this job. Job type: part-time. Pay up to $25 per hour. Benefits: flexible schedule. Supplemental pay types: bonus pay. Experience: social media management, 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.